let's talk about what I call arpeggio picking, where we're picking out the different notes of the chord and trying to make it sound almost like I'm playing a chord on a piano, right? Each individual note as I go up and down or up again and again and again. Really nice, and it fits well into 6/8 time. So as a quick review, remember 6/8 is basically just a really fast waltz. Instead of feeling it like a circle as we would in a waltz, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, with a sort of really solid first beat. 6/8 has a little bit more of a back and forth. We feel this pulse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Da 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 da. And as I said, arpeggio works really well, especially this first way. I'm going to show you a couple different options, and then you can choose what works well for you. So I've got a low G, so I start with that low G. I go to C, E, A, and right back down E, C, and G. And that is 6 beats right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That also works with the high G. Of course, it's going to sound different. The reason I love it with the low G is it really, even though we're not playing it like a piano, you still have the lowest note of the chord that you're playing, starting us out, going up to the highest note of the chord and back down. And that just gives a nice feel of that kind of rise and fall of the waves. Definitely works with the high G. It just has a different, different feel to it. Sometimes for the high G, what works better is to pluck your outside strings first together and then feel the arpeggio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? Sometimes that fills out the sound a little bit more with that high G. The other thing you can do with high G is ditch the G entirely. Start on your C string and just play C, E, A, C, E, A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? Or if you want to keep that G in there, but you don't want the rise and fall of the arpeggio, the last option is outside strings to your inside strings separately. So outside strings together, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this works with low G too. All of these patterns are theoretically interchangeable, right? Whether you've got the high G or low G, we all have our personal preferences as to which one is going to feel more natural in our fingers and which chords are going to sound better with them too, right? You can kind of adjust and feel it out as you go. So let's, I'll be your metronome here. I'm going to play my arpeggio. You play what arpeggio feels good for you. You can try lots of different ones as I go through and see what feels natural. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2. Remember your other options. Outside strings. I'll add a chord so we know what it sounds like. Yeah. So that's my double finger variation of the arpeggio. Or if I want to ditch that G entirely, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. Or one more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. See which one feels right for you? Keep it going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2. Couple more. And pause. Yeah, lovely. So play around with that. See what feels good. Again, it depends sometimes a little bit on the chord and the chord voicing what sounds best. Sometimes it depends on the song, where the beats lie in the song. And sometimes it's just a matter of personal preference. This is the one I feel like I can play. This is the one that sounds the best to my ear. This is the one I'm going to try. So mess around with that on your own, and when you are ready, you can try it in a song. Enjoy.